This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Telegram. First, download the Telegram application from your device's App Store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Once installed, open the app and register your phone number to create your new account. You will receive a verification code to confirm your identity. Finally, set up your profile by adding a name and an optional profile photo to personalize your presence. Telegram offers robust messaging capabilities. You can easily send text messages, share photos, videos, and various file types with your contacts. For larger discussions, create group chats that can accommodate up to 200,000 members, fostering large communities. Additionally, explore channels, which are one-to-many broadcast tools, perfect for receiving updates or sharing content with a broad audience. Beyond basic messaging, Telegram provides powerful advanced features. Discover and interact with a multitude of bots that can automate tasks, provide information, or even play games directly within your chats. For heightened privacy, utilize secret chats, which offer end-to-end encryption, ensuring only you and the recipient can read the messages. You can also set messages to self-destruct after a specified time. Telegram allows extensive customization to make the app truly yours. Personalize your experience by choosing from various themes and setting unique chat backgrounds. Crucially, manage your privacy settings to control who sees your phone number, last seen status, and profile photo. For an extra layer of security, enable two-step verification, requiring a password in addition to the code sent to your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.